ora. Today we're looking at macrons again and also a vowel blend using these two place names. So I've put the breaks here after every vowel and you'll see why they're so important. Ma, na, wa, we know that because we know that this is a. Manawa tu, and it's pronounced quite long, tu. Manawa tu. So the reason that people say manawa tu is because they don't know about that break after the vowel and they're saying man. So that's not right. It's ma, na, wa, tu. Manawa tu. And then this one has the macron at the end as well, paw, and then we've got ta, u, paw. But of course we don't say ta, u, paw. We glide these together so it's au, 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 au. Taupo, taupo, taupo. So there's some practice for you for the weekend. Ka kite.